Okay, I got the old Manticore back out here. This is going to be pinpoint demo number 2 video. I've got 2 gold rings, and I think I've got one there, a pewter ring. Okay, dug with an E-track of 10 plus years ago. You're going to find the results on this ring interested in this video, by the way. Balled up foil, various sizes. We may actually look at all-terrain high conductors and all-terrain low conductors on this just to... I've not looked at all-terrain low conductors. First up, this old big 14K gold ring. That's a house, boys. Let me verify what I'm in here. All-terrain high conductors. Mashing the pinpoint button. See how fast that thing tuned in? That's a big old ring, boys. Now I'm gonna put this 10 carat back up here. I've done showed it in the prior video, but mashing pinpoint. See how quick she come in? Alright. Now the old pewter ring. Now this is not a large ring here. Notice I'm gonna turn it like so, and then I'll rotate it. Let's see if this makes a difference, because I've done swept this, okay? Pinpoint engaged. How about that? We'll tune in on it with equal time. I'm not going to stand here all day. I am going to rotate it as such. Try again just to see what happens. Pinpoint engaged. So is it the shape or is it the metal content? Yeah, I don't know. If I could bend a gold ring, I might figure that out, but I'm not going to bend one of these gold rings, okay? Big piece of foil. Now, all this foil here reads in the gold ring range with this detector, ladies and gentlemen, okay? Big piece of foil, pinpoint engaged. Took longer to tune in. Notice that. Next biggest piece of foil here. See that there? Let's see what happens here. Pinpoint engaged. Notice it never did come in, but now this foil, now it's not perfectly round. See that right there is the shape driving how this thing is tuning in. Now here's a piece here, smaller, medium size. Okay, deep high conductor, all-terrain high conductor steel. So that one tuned in pretty good, and that reached 21. Okay, the next smallest piece. This is next to the smallest piece I have here. Okay, engage pinpoint. That tuned in pretty quick. Okay, and then here's the smallest piece I have for this demo here. Okay, pinpoint engage. Now notice that pinpoint on that. It's like it's a pinpoint, but it's not very tight. Now that reads about 5 on the meter of this machine. I'll disengage it and sweep it and mash the horseshoe button. You know, maybe I can mash the horseshoe button. Well, it doesn't really matter. But I believe that's what it reads. It's reading low, okay? Now what I'll do is I'll go in here and switch modes. We'll just go backwards, reverse order here. All-terrain low conductor. Smallest foil first this time. Notice the pinpoint on that is not very tight. See that? Alright, we're going to try another one here. There's the next biggest piece I've put up here. Okay. Pinpoint engage. Did not tune in during that time frame, okay? The next biggest piece. Pinpoint engaged. Never did tune in during that time frame, okay? Next biggest piece. This is next to the biggest piece I have for this demo here. Pinpoint engaged. Did not tune in. Okay, now for the big one. This is the monster piece that I have for this demo here, okay? Pinpoint engaged. Never did tune in. Okay? Now we're going to the small 10-karat gold ring. Okay? Pinpoint engage. You see that? See how quick that thing tuned in? Alright, we'll do the next one, the big gold ring. Okay? Pinpoint engaged. See how fast that thing tuned in? Y'all catching on? Alright, now here's this pewter ring. And it never would tune in with this, but we may swing this a while here in all-terrain low conductors just to see what happens here. Pinpoint engaged. How about that? What do you think about that? Now, is it the shape? Maybe. I'll hold this up closer to the camera so everybody can see it. It's not round, okay? And it's got that flat spot on it, found in an old house with an E-track. So you can see the pinpoint on this machine, and it looks like to me the all-terrain low conductors probably actually does better on this test with the pinpoint. But I'll let you make up your own minds, okay? But that could be useful because, like I said, some of that bigger fall there, boys, is in the old gold ring range. I hope you enjoyed.